Is it time to buy or sell Nebius Group N.v stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Nebius Group N.v. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 27th of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 30th of July, 2025, our system has ranked Nebius Group N.v. as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.69. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 36.67% since we first designated Nebius Group N.v. as a buy candidate 21 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.75% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock rests in the midpoint of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, with indications of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 54.86% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 30.78% to 77.38%. When we consider the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 108.5%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 4.28% and 129.32% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $73.10 and $160.76. Our latest daily update for Nebius Group N.v. includes the headline, Nebius Group N.v. stock price down 0.539% on Wednesday. The Nebius Group N.v. stock price decreased by 0.539% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 27th of August, 2025. The stock fell from $70.48 to $70.10. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.57%, with a low of $68.66 and a high of $71.80. Although the price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains down by 0.75% for that period. Trading volume also decreased alongside the stock, which can be seen as a positive indicator, as volume typically follows the price movement. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 2 million shares, totaling 6 million shares traded for approximately $411,500,100. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $75.96, while the lowest was $14.09. Currently, the stock price is 7.71%, or $5.86, below the 52-week high of $75.96, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Nebius is in the spotlight this week, following a series of optimistic operational updates and fluctuating market comparisons. The company is experiencing remarkable top-line growth, with year-over-year increases reaching 3 times and even more than 6 times in recent quarters. Additionally, they are seeing an expansion in profit margins, early positive earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, and an enhanced outlook that elevates annual recurring revenue targets towards $1.1 billion, as they strive to scale capacity to a goal of 1 gigawatt by the year 2026. Management has also reduced the number of shares and paused selective projects to await the next generation of graphics processing units, actions that help maintain pricing power and capital efficiency. However, competitors with larger scale and strategic partnerships are being presented as safer options for AI infrastructure. Analysts caution that the sector will likely remain volatile. In the short term, strong results, increases in guidance, and share reductions akin to buybacks often drive momentum and upward potential. Yet, headline volatility, reevaluation of valuations, and any delays in capacity can lead to sharp declines. Over the long term, successful execution of capacity plans, sustained high profit margins, and growth in annual recurring revenue could warrant a significant revaluation. Conversely, failure to execute or escalating competition could reduce returns. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NBIS a buy grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to the stock of Nebius Group N.v. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell while indicating a buy recommendation for the price-to-book ratio. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also issued a neutral rating for this stock. The following signals have been identified for Nebius Group N.v. The stock of Nebius Group N.v. shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $68.63 and $59.53. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. However, some negative signals have emerged as well, which may impact the short-term trajectory. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 12, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 6.94%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased in tandem with the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 23 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal 76 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 67 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nebius Group N.v. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $65.31 and $54.43. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Nebius Group N.v. finds support just below today's level at $65.31. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $54.43 and $52.58. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $3.14 between its high and low, or 4.57%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.37%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Nebius Group N.v., let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nebius Group N.v. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nebius Group N.v. is at $70.24. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nebius Group N.v. faces its first support level at $65.31. If this support level holds, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. We recommend setting a stop loss at $66.52, reflecting a decline of 5.11%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which indicates a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 11 days ago. Is Nebius Group N.v. stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Nebius Group N.v stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 28th of August, we expect Nebius Group N.v to open higher by approximately 8.67 cents and start trading at $70.19. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.